How to transfer data from OPPO to Vivo securely. Okay, today, this ultimate guide walks you through 4 easy ways to copy files from OPPO to Vivo. Just watch on to find the solution that suits you best. Method 1. How to transfer data from OPPO to Vivo with Transfer for Mobile. Being proficient in transferring various data between any two phones or tablets, Mobican Transfer for Mobile Win and Mac is favored by millions of smartphone fans. To transfer data from OPPO to Vivo with Mobican Transfer for Mobile. Step 1. Install Transfer for Mobile on your computer and then launch it. Step 2. You'll be prompted to connect Android phones to the computer with USB cables. Just do this and enable USB debugging on both OPPO and Vivo. Step 3. Once done, you will see the main interface of the software. You should now place the devices in the correct positions. Tap Flip if they are wrongly placed. Step 4. Tick on all the content you want to transfer and then click Start Copy to trigger OPPO to Vivo data transfer. Method 2. How to copy data from OPPO to Vivo via Android backup and restore. Compared with the transfer for mobile said in the previous part, Mobican Backup Manager for Android Win and Mac offers another way to transfer data from OPPO to Vivo. Install the software on your computer and connect your OPPO phone via USB. Click Backup and follow the on-screen instructions. Select the data types for transfer and choose a location on the computer. Click Backup to start the process. Disconnect the cable after the backup completes. Connect your Vivo phone to the computer. Tap Restore and select the backup files to transfer them to your Vivo phone. Method 3. How to transfer files from OPPO to Vivo using Vivo EasyShare. Open EasyShare on your OPPO phone. Tap the icon with 2 arrows. Select Phone Clone. Choose Old Phone, then Vivo Phone. Enable Allow modifying system settings and grant permissions. Scan the QR code on your OPPO with your Vivo phone. Once connected, select Data to transfer and click Start Device Switch. Tap Done on both devices when finished. Method 4. How to transfer data from OPPO to Vivo over Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on both OPPO and Vivo phones. Pair the devices and select Files on OPPO. Share via Bluetooth to Vivo. Then accept on Vivo to start transfer.